love you.
Playing in the cobwebs, you look like you're wearing a veil. What?
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't.
This is my cat Mimi. She loves me.
Hello!
You're gonna fall. Tell me about spending spring break anywhere other than this tiny dog.
Izzy! Are you stuck?
I want to drink liquor. I don't like liquor. What the hell's at the game?
That's my boy. No, my boy! Father, help!
Ow.
Stop for a second.
Hey, don't bite! Make it good.
Meow.
Are you good? I need my jacket.
Oh no. Okay. Oh. Okay. 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 You keep biting me like that, I will not play with you. Oh, I'm sorry. Evie.
He smells it.
Okay. Are you part dog? Don't do it. Oh no. Oh no.
One singular black cat hair? One singular black cat hair?
I just think she's scared of being abandoned.
Oh. 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 Killing them one.
Oh no, are you peeing?
Excuse you!
What a gentle fight.
Get off my car.
I'm sorry.
Ay, qué bonito.
Is he gonna deliver speed?
Izzy, are you stuck?
No, boy.
The most beautiful girl in the room.
You?
To you too.
See? It's alright. It's all good.
Hey, Spacey.
Why? Come on, no, Chase, move over. No.
is not nice to steal food.
May I have your smelly bird?
What? Where did you come from?
Honey.
Is being abandoned.
Hi.
Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god.
Give it to me. It's my ice cream.
Come on.
Gary!
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
Are you good? Are you good, bro?
Oh!